previous year question and answer solution of Stream Electronics and Communication Engineering, Semester 3 subject, Data Structure and Algorithms. MCQs 1. What is the disadvantage of array data structure? A. The amount of memory to be allocated should be known beforehand. B. Elements of an array can be accessed in constant me. C. Elements are stored in contiguous memory blocks. D. Multiple other data structures can be implemented using arrays. Answer A. The amount of memory to be allocated should be known beforehand. 2. Which of the following data structures allow insert on and delete on from both ends? A. Stack. B. DQ. C. Queue. D. Strings. Answer B. DQ. 3. Which of the following sorting algorithms provide the best me complexity in the worst case scenario? A. Merge sort. B. Quick sort. C. Bubble sort. D. Select on sort. Answer A. Merge sort. 4. Worst case me complexity to access an element in a BST can be A. O of n. B. O of n log n. C. O of 1. D. O of log n. Answer A. O of n. 5. How are strings represented in memory in C? A. An array of characters. B. The object of some class. C. Same as other primitive data types. D. Linked list of characters. Answer A. An array of characters. 6. Which of the following data structures can be used to implement queues? A. Stack. B. Arrays. C. Linked list. D. Both B and C. Answer D. Both B and C. 7. Which of the following is a divide and conquer algorithm? A. Bubble sort. B. Select on sort. C. Heap sort. D. Merge sort. Answer D. Merge sort. 8. What is the best case me complexity of the binary search algorithm? A. O1. B. On. C. O log 2n. D. O n squared. Answer A. O1. 9. What is the me complexity to insert an element to the front of a linked list head pointer given? A. On. B. O1. C. O log n. D. O n times log n. Answer B. O1. 10. In a B plus tree, both the internal nodes and the leaves have keys. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. 11. What is the me complexity of an infix to POSIX conversion algorithm? A. O of n log n. B. O of n. C. O of n squared. D. O of m log n. Answer B. O of n. 12. What is a hash table? A. A structure that maps values to keys. B. A structure that maps keys to values. C. A structure used for storage. D. A structure used to implement stack and queue. Answer: B. A structure that maps keys to values. Thank you.